everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Please do me a favor and share this video, please. Please share the program as you're joining. Or the very, very important. Tag Okongwu Dibia here. I forgot to tag him, but I know I just mentioned his name. I forgot to tag Okongwu. And you tag Jpac, wear belly face. So, you tag them. Thank God, today is Wednesday. I am off. You guys are highly welcome. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing just fine. You guys are highly welcome. Tag your friends. Tag your well-wishers. Tag umunegi. Tag yakwaramunde kidnapper. Tag yaramo. Every way man ndene ezu oshi. Especially ndene ezu oshi na southeast. Tag yaramo ha. Because I have a very good information this time around. Tag yaramo ha. All these kidnappers, all these boys say when they know we have a new millionaire. A new, even not a millionaire, a new billionaire in our town. I'm a new billionaire in our town. So tag Yaramoha. You want to go? Share this page. Share this live program. And for those of you that don't like my program, please clear road for my page. I have discovered that replying to some of you were a waste of time to my person. You want to go? I have seen posts here. There is no need of replying to you guys. On a live program because sometimes I don't even have time to go back and check them. Tag Jpac. Tag every person who kidnapper. All these young boys not trying to eat same way Hana. But I with a new billionaire confirmed by Okongwu Dibia. You want to go? Be this person that is requesting, do not request my live video. You want to go? Tag Jpac. Tag Yasha. You want to go? Sometimes try send data to people. No! If you don't have data, don't come watch me. I'm not sending data for you. I cannot be sending data for what will save you. As I announced, why would I say, if you talk and I will press you, I will pay you again. My message is meant for people who need data, not for you. Find a way to generate data. I will say that watch tag a lost son. Tag all of them in this video. So if you're coming to my page expecting me data, you are wasting your time, oh. You're wasting your time. Don't you ever come here to beg me data. Did you hear me? If you don't have money, you wait data guys off phone. Only say like the phone. It's again on Facebook. Ima beja no rema onion su rema crayfish. Gana chone get data. Get out from here. She got for 4 years. Ina be get data. I'm not gonna bale. When you open to the another, it did not ask for data. That will get you data. Come on, actually, for you some. You wait that I maybe a big cash. Okay, a man all work and a man also book and we choose some way again. Ogechi Okeke this blue app. Iberanga be men in way that I got. No, come here, ask me data next time, oh, for your own good. Don't try, oh. If you don't have data, don't come watch me. Which fan? Which fan? Is that how my fan will approach me when he need data? Don't say that, oh, because I'm not here for that kind of thing. Don't ask me that at the wrong time. Now, tag the kidnapper in on east. Tag everybody. Now, Okongwu attend the sea, Okongwu. No, Shina, Jpac, came she be examine Kenya. No, but I need today assistance now to Jpac make over 100 million naira na China or Gara. I put on a live program here. Why that Jpac made over 100 million naira. So boys say when I call Chumanu Jpac because I get MC in a different places this time. And that December and a lot of Chenuyon, Oji, Nani China, and I'm a cook and call that and I wait to know. By this time now Jpac worth 500 million naira. I'm just giving you guys the hint. As it is now, Jpac went over 500 million. Because as looking at where the new other are up to, but what I have 300 million, let me not exaggerate. Okongwu Dibia na potazi egwani that Jpac na China office it regards all this electric whatever. Now Jpac went up to 100 million. That means now we are looking up to Jpac about 500 million. And the one year potashi no wo dogu. No dogu wine area gone because they go down. So Jpac is the richest millionaire. Even not from the Abana billionaire. The richest millionaire in our town. So alert them that Jpac in Jpac G ma on your pioneer area. I see. Okeza here. Okongwu Dibia alerted us that Jpac now water nane China 100 million ego surplus. So because alert our boys in on east. Shia, I with a new catch. So alert them. Ebola hand eba and Weibo. Any corner part of Hana and Weibo. Hatchere Jpac. That share Jpac put money. Okongwu Dibia on his live video. And the many people are saying that we are jealous in Jpac because we make too much money. Jpac now made too much money. So, and when they go to Banuru, Jpac you should be kidnapped this time around because not Yemen and Yichi Matana Jpac no Mama Ogechi Okeke. You want to go? So we need to look into Jpac because you need to go to East. Get that money. And I'm not going with the latest billionaire now in town. According to Okongwu. And Okongwu in the 500,000. Near the lost son 500,000. Near wagara up home wine the rapist himself. Yeah, and also another ex-convict. Get your point, another 500. So I got it too much. If Putagishonya see manage to rapogi, nyegi 1.1 million. Onye ka rapogi, gene na nkiti in egwe nyegi 500. So money plenty. Money plenty. There is a lot of goodies to share to the boys. So beacon for our own betterment. Actually go wo for nyega na ejia. Pamri broke na enwe ego mji. I cannot come and tell you that that would be lie. Ogechi Okeke. Okay. Alright. Otila. So for us to now to stay, that's it. In when new millionaires and new billionaires in town. That will be so Okongwu Dibia, thank you for giving us the information. That Jpac worth 100 million. You said it in your live video, and the many of you, rich, so everything is now matching in one places. Everything now matching that in one accord. Now, Okongwu Dibia, get in here. Ogechi Dibia here, get in here. I would like people to listen to your video before I start to analyze you. Get in here. Get in here. You know, kina Jpac izuani. That scam, ono putara. Ono connect with waja zuani. Work ono ga about the money. That's Oshi kina Jpac izuani. Ile channel know the whole Igbo. Une present the account. Atuego una scam one give Jpac and the waja. But uni no has so share then. Unu get about that money now. You want to go? Because waja with the organizer all the one who read the scripts. Jpac ebupute the scripts na social media. Onya aro di ọrụ Okongwu Dibia. Ego ehuru ine unu sunu that time. People gather and contributed the money. Unu ezodo oshi unu gebupute ya. Unu gebupute that money. If she may give away, share the video. If you want me to do giveaway, share the video. Share it too, And let others. Because Apamungbongo, I got Joe Okongwu Dibia a lot of ajuju. You want to go? Apamungbongo. Apamungbongo people. You want to go? So share the video, broadcast it, tag all of them. Tag Wagara. I say, madam, do giveaway for us hunger day body. And share the video now. Share the video. You want to go? Keep sharing. Now, tag waja. Because waja balanki tama do bataka ogeni here. Because he walk here no ewu ana ma no bu. You want to go? Waja plant the deal. Mgbe Okongwu na Jpac scamuru. Emo keza haya aya na ndo. Mgbe Jpac na Okongwu Dibia scamuru aya na ndo. You want to go? So, if you guys have forgotten, maybe Okongwu don't know his history. Before you be Now, in a year 2022, or 2021 straight 22, Waja planned that Nayan on Ghana set Okongwu Dibia up for him to go and start doing first plan with it. What with keza keza aya nando. Her plan ya kan de shile gumi Igbo wayo. Now, a set charge your I should leave all this and oya. Otila. Singapore is something with a family problem. Go home and deal with it. Get out. You have family problem. Get out of here. Go deal with it. Go deal with it. Also. You want to go? Now, Okongwu Dibia, Eguga, Aya Yanando, Guga Yoshu, China. Most of the Waja had to communicate with Jpac. How are we going to do this? Now, the money, I'm going to account to her. Do you understand what happened? The money, I'm going to account to her. Hey, bito plan, one. Onyeka bia Jpac capital line. Hey, Okongwu Dibia. Yeah, Nando. You want to kill Okongwu? Draw fake alert, fake alarm. Draw fake alarm everywhere, Time. Hey, stage what the whole thing. Be confusing them, madam. Everywhere, every people started to put attention. Before you know it, their boss. Waja. Hey, what account to Tine? I shall walk about. Oh yeah. Otila. You want to go? Yapara account to Tiga, account to Onejia. How much was deposited inside that account? Egole, Kuno Brada deposit inside that account. So, what time can these two criminals, Suzumaroshi, or what time can one bomb and organize Suzumoshi? They have been scamming for a long time, and there's someone or she help it on today. So when you see Okongwu bere to ashi, never put any 200,000 no now. Everything are false alarm. There is no credibility in these two criminals. There is no credibility. So for those of you that will put here and listen to Okongwu criminal, you must be mad. The same Okongwu Gabachanga Dibia video. Yeah, putayashi, hapupanda, Dibia ni wenke wonogo. Ga putakwe again. Enye kwa yego. Ya papa ya bageda Dibianka what anya before. Now Dibianka gile kwa no Dibia ndini no na bana line, they are all hungry. Because of what? Okoko has made his own on social media. Now all of them now have gathered to make the same money. Nobody should send me requests. I'm not adding anybody, please. When I send them request, I'm not they add anybody. You understand the thing? Now, Okongwu attack is Jpac. It don't take when they scam people for this blue app. Otela, where una they steal. So coming out online to talk about Zion. Now Zion, we want you to bring out that person. For Ogechi Okeke defending the Zion, naga put 200,000. Your record alone shows that you are born to be a criminal. Ego mbe balara Ghana. Unu na waja plan the thing. Ebu look at that money no. Iji the money me again. Is it not the same Jpac putara na gaga kwe me he Dibia again? Ko wuna anu ho ya na this social media. Na any do wuni imeri he Dibia. Na giga agbo ego ni na hu nde mmadu nyere gi. Where are those money? We want you to bring it back. Because now you have started in the Dibia. Anamachu, ego ni nda nde Dibia atoro ge bahashina aya yana ndo na mebu with false rumor. Una ebuko aya yana ndo emena aya yana ndo una abia scam more people. Jpac pezus no putagba anyi that you will never again go back to Dibia. That any dollar imeni that you get people ego. Where is those money? Where is those? Jpac okutere ego le na that aru business unumene. Je ogono waja okutere ego le. Waja be confused in 1 million. Waja inenya Okongwu 1 million okwo ya. Is he crippled? Or we share the young man? Atomi what a reason eji were 1 million naira nyo Okongwu. Ana maju. Ego ahu na ono potara manye kwongwati kwakwa dika nda amaghị ihe. Okongwu Dibia. Ask him go. That money iguru wayo that time. I didn't pay the money no. Because ono promise and anytime you go back to Dibia that you will never do anything Dibia again. Ono ubanyo also more. Okay, Aya Otila with this fake account. Oh yeah, hey, actually me block. I'm in the band. I get mistake. Hey, me mistake. Actually me block again. Because I'm not sure fake account. I'm an able nishi. Hey, what I go now? Okongwu Dibia. That money scam unde maduni neighborhood. Where is the money? Ebe le kono. You told everybody fake narrative story. We bought it. All in the bottle because that time I put a benegi boto. I put a good dream benegi with Tamnamshi. Magi ma Jpac wundoshi. Magi ma Jpac wundoshi. Waja is una master to organize all this crime. Waja is the head of the organizer of this crime. Waja ga benya account you will come and give us account of that money. Account of that money. Because you naga just me, uno shiny chefu. People like us is to remind all of you. You want to go? That money. Uno scam on that time. Where are that money? Ebe kunu temene. Ebo le kunu temene ya. Come na juge. Where is those money? If Okongwu go back to Dibia, na collect ego. Okongwu kebe ego nine no. We want to collect those money back. Ebo le kono. Now, I want to play your video. Before no story. We want to hear your video, what you said before we start talking about every other thing. You want to go? Only need 500,000 Jpac in your room. All of you go war liar. Facebook could disregard any report. Guys, please share this video. Guys, please share this video. Disregard any report on this video, please. Disregard any report on this particular video. Only allow Willie she better defend the Jpac that collecting. But after a moon, you happy at all log here. Anybody will put your hand, they go collect. It should not put to you go collect. Because soon I know who idiota. You guys were not there. So you know 500,000 for you guys to come and defend rubbish. Get ready to warrior. That is how the whole thing will work. Oh. So for those of you that will I got you. I know they see you. As soon as you don't enter to come and lie with your propagandas. Emuna Owazayon. 1 minute una Owazayon. Because no man, you guys are a bunch of liars. You want to go? Now let's listen to Apamu. In a query, you need to brought to Kwage back. Amado Hamabu Kwage. So him get you brought back a bear now. Okongwu Imakwa, you as Imakwa, you are froggy, you are the best of Hashagi, rest in peace. Imakwa one. Imakwa one, that's it. When's your assistance now? When you are one labor. Iga shebe dromo na musuko dromo nando. Dromo no ko dromo nando. Ato me magode be na dromo back. Mbia sogi believe ma ni he we shinodo. Things I know that doesn't work. Things I know that never work, that does not exist. Mbia sogi to do what? I'm collect 500,000 ikegi. All one 500 ige richali bu onwegi. I told the Bonnie lost son. To get me involved. War is war. Anything goes with. After all, my dead father, Jpac Jiaba war. Jpac John Pam war. So who the fuck is Bonnie lost son? Who the fuck is ya? Who the fuck is ya? Homo na collect ye kwaro jina so ha. Nga westre hoka humma. West them, delete them because na haba huru. So omuru opera. Ekwa na formulate lies na enwete. Isu try happen kwa war criminals no more show. Opa huru. So delete them. Let them all go. Opa huru. You want to go? So if you get formulate lies. Na nebuko bi chukura make nka. Akwe chukura make this one. You want to go? So opa huru. Because so they will turn out to be a shower or kidnappers or criminals. So come and get delete here. So that is war. When you bro everything about war. So none of family give war to anything as far as I'm concerned. You want to go? Now let's listen to Itiri Age Okongwu. The worst of it all. They give a poor who you are poor at the same time. You want to go? Anyway, let's go.
Ogechi, you need to brought to back. But before I start, Jpac, even you all this thing, I'm not surprised. All this thing, I'm a movie now.
Okongwu Dibia, you get what put that person on our phone. If you don't bring it, if you don't bring it, one of those Dibia saying I gonna get Hamadu Hanga Putakubuogi. Who Amadu Hanga Putakubuogi? Because this is the lie you told on yourself on this blue app on Hayanan Dominigayan Denehungi. That person ain't porogi. Na Zion na Pogo. No nenye 200,000. No nenye nka. Iga potabia we put evidence. Anyamuna kwano how za onyahuji woro the team organizer of Zion Ministry. You have to bring them. You can't just come on get call 500,000 kana toari ashe. You want to go? So
defend the Zion. Kana put 200,000 every month.
So Okongwu pay no na. Common 20,000 ija amalielu. Common 10,000 in amalielu. Common 5,000 ikogi one you with relation gendomi. You are giving God the glory. E do wagi na salary. You or haka 200,000. Gima. Gishene collect ya. Hey! Bikono. Okongwu Dibia. No. Even to an extent, the rape infection, onyeze. Jesus, one nigga won't keep or he planning the kidnap boy as I'm talking to you now. Gen nda plan the kidnap again and go kegi. Brought out a voice note. Ebi na ne go ija common gonorrhea or infection ibutere. Gana eti nige ija infection. Kage nyegi 200,000 a month. Times 200,000 per month we go in the comment section because Idiot no na abject poverty. Atunu no na abject can they say you game approach. Hey! Come on, get the fuck out of here. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Chama Shingafo, are those things the children? Are they children? Are those things the children? Come on, fuck off. Come on, fuck your rubbish idiot here. Hold on, let me even block your dirty ass. Anyway, before I block, okay, hold on. Come check the picture. Come nyegi one woto. Come nyegi one woto now before you get that fuck out of here. Chineka bongono. Idiots. You're telling me I'm trying to delete a bonny lost son. Come on. Are they living? When they have a useless father, are they alive? Wait. Oh, so a bonny son gonna damage other people. But come on, those people not get people upon them. Come on, fuck your nasty ass bitch out of here. Where is that idiot? No wonder. See your condition. No wonder. Also like now Jaho Puntit go look for job and work and look like a responsible man. You go. Come on, fuck off. Who are you even? Can you call the drink, guys? Let me even read. Ashi, you are threatening to delete upon your lost son children. You are living in America, and if he cut this video and sent it to your work, come on, fuck off. You are living in America. If you cut, am I doing it? Have you ever seen me do video delete it? I am doing it for him to get it. Fuck you, fuck upon your son children, fuck anything that exists from that idiot. Even you, your own children will be deleted. Fuck all of you, including you son of a nobody. Wait. Where is that idiot? Where is that motherfucker? Look at them. Everywhere. Licking yashi, licking mouth. Thunder babu kwegi. My winter no open to cover. You drop into to making it. If I got ram one, ya fragate. Come on, fuck off from this place. I'm a do hamabuki. You're attacking you on America. Fuck you, fuck America, fucking nigga. Bastard you out there. There, you can't stand up and start where this problem is. A body lost son, potara. She had a put a bomb at and none of you are saying anything about Thunder Babu Quagdia. It's your that one running up of Frankenese. Me Thunder scatter in here, Lamorgan. In a big machine, America. America who would there. Dala. Come on, fuck the fuck out of my platform. I'm a do hackere boogie. Look at two, but I saw her. As soon as I would Ogechi. Her put out from their hiding place. Idiots. They are Matthias members. Dala. Don't even tell me who to include, though. Don't ever tell me who to include. I'm not gonna hear anything to include on you. I told him already. Oh, we go get Richard. Don't ever but anything again and fuck you. If he where is that? If you threatening me, but if you're threatening me for joking in America to delete you in a Thunder Babu, I'm threatening I will delete your children. I will delete you, I will delete your children. If you don't do anything, no swana boogie. Look at me if he cannot do anything for what I said. Me Thunder Babu. Now I'm threatening you with your face. Hold on. With this your look at you. You moron, I'm talking to you. I will delete you, deleting Negi, delete your generation, delete all your born and your born one. I will delete you. I said it with my face. Now what will you do? You swan. Thunder Mabukwegi for you to come to my platform to utter such utterances. You won't ye? Oh no, guy who threatening them not up and down. Upon his son, yeah, put the wrong information to be this. Imagine upon his son, how many people? Imagine how many people for a long time. I was in the Kayagano. Come and delete those rat or so come and delete them. Delete those trash. Delete them. They don't want to exist. Because only you have a criminal. You criminals. Delete them with no mercy. Wipe them with no mercy. Thunder fire, you idiots. Monsters, demons. Record, should I put that in order to can I can make 50 million? You did not see it. Now let me replay that record. Maybe you are deaf. I'm not gonna see him. Oh, Ogechi Okeke. Thunder Bob Wookie. Dala. Wait, let me play the record. Bia, Meshono. Let me check to devil like you now. Wait. Dala Musu. Bunch of demons. Biage record ndamusi begi. You know? Wait.
Next month to Jpac. Cause a problem. Ma pata serious now ebuko bi nwere onyo mere abortion. E ma kwa mo.
Ela kan block again. Oya. Otila.
And then Jpac bi ha na plan ya. O me won girl abortion. They gonna treat them more than one or more. She achieve ya that female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because I'm the video go well. So next month. So bacherum. Next month to Jpac. Ma cause a problem. Ma pata serious now ebuko bi nwere onyo mere abortion. E ma kwa mo. Ma cause commotion. Ma pata sin ebuko bi and then Jpac bi ha na plan ya. O me won girl abortion. They gonna treat them more than one or more. She achieve ya that female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because I'm the video go well. So next month. So bacherum. Next month to Jpac. Ma cause a problem. Ma pata serious now ebuko bi nwere onyo mere abortion. E ma kwa mo. Ma cause commotion. Ma pata sin ebuko bi and then Jpac bi ha na plan ya. O me won girl abortion.
Aya. Otila.
More than one or more. She achieve ya that female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because I'm the video go well. So next month. So bacherum. Next month to Jpac. Ma cause a problem. Ma pata serious now ebuko bi nwere onyo mere abortion. E ma kwa mo. Ma cause commotion. Ma pata sin ebuko bi and then Jpac bi ha na plan ya. O me won girl abortion. They gonna treat them more than one or more. She achieve ya that female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because I'm the video go well. So next month. So bacherum. Next month to Jpac. Ma cause a problem. Ma pata serious now ebuko bi nwere onyo mere abortion. E ma kwa mo. Ma cause commotion. Ma pata sin ebuko bi and then Jpac bi ha na plan ya. O me won girl abortion. They gonna treat them more than one or more. She achieve ya that female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because I'm the video go well. So next month. So bacherum. Next month to Jpac. Ma cause a problem. Ma pata serious now ebuko bi nwere onyo mere abortion. E ma kwa mo. Ma cause commotion. Ma pata sin ebuko bi and then Jpac bi ha na plan ya. O me won girl abortion. They gonna treat them more than one or more. She achieve ya that female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because I'm the video go well. So next month. So bacherum.
So the thing not plan is it not evil? Is it not evil? Let me tell you, no. I call unu with the KJ soon. I call wala unu with the KJ soon. I'm a G, eh? In fact, I wouldn't know where egg na ma. I can make you an abba unu kwata. I call unu with the the evil you bring is the evil I will use and follow you. There is no peace for evil man or evil woman. Did you get it? So take that your open useless teeth. Take it and go and shuffle it in your motherfucking ass. You didn't hear what I said? So fuck the fuck out of here before I fuck you out of this place. You son of a nobody. Demons that gathered in one coven and plan evil against people, and people will not follow however you guys want it. You think you can plan evil to another person's child and your own child will live? Let the out of this surface. You demons. Who the fuck are you? Other people, this is the evil somebody planned. And somebody will come back and tell me that, okay, why would that include Onya woman? Who is woman? Or we will come out to be like demons? Onya woman? Eh? Aya, you can't imagine somebody stand on camera. Come on, let me block you here. I will block Olange finally before I make a mistake bound. Oh yeah? Rest in heaven. You want to go? So you all should go and let me tell you, I won't like any other person. You see, I'm a zoto, and when a content creator, all these people not get Ogechi, na me and I'm the talk. Can't anybody to help me. I don't need to help. As soon as I'm only where they look for, not be waiting at the look for Facebook, or to come and tell that's evil match to match. Unu Dibia can get match. Unu judo a judo snoya. Only cheerful match because so you no choro. Una chohi homa. You know waru. Evil plans against your fellow Igbos. Evil plans against someone who did not believe in the same faith you believe in. Dala, come and defend this Amusu. Who is Omuya? Onya woman? The same blood the demon get back to. Abo happy me hotorogologo. What would they become when they grow up? Dala, come on, fuck your useless rubbish open teeth. We no get muscle. Come on, Chinga for come Janonyam Berubia, which is useless Okongwu. Dala. Oh yeah. What that atom infection actually last previous months. Look at only 200,000. Only who to go is wrong. Jabo amuyoshana grada pom. Because any dream that voice note to only same that time about this born criminal that united with Jpac and Okongwu amu. Na na kwa kana mu ya na da onwe he go jeju yogo ye jewa na local place ebe ogaga nwagwu onye ashe ni 200,000 na some people can believe any fucked up thing. Some people can just talk rubbish and believe any because he hate mad. Come on, fuck you, man. Let's listen to your trash that you're talking. Na koyeri na kokanda abara mezusu na brain. And they can somebody quit no. Somebody go just listen, they gain again. Imagine 200,000 a month. Gammon up here. Let me hear you. Chere.
Ogechi, you need to block the back. But before I start, Jpac, even you wasn't in all this thing, man, I'm not surprised. All this thing na Fioketa bugi buteri onwego. Ama mu ife ni na mbe ama mo onye kpom na phone sem na nde Zion na akwa ụgwọ. Mo bia ka nne defend Zion.
Onye ahụ shigi na nde Zion na akwa ụgwọ. But other person shigi bia ka nne defend Zion. Are you afraid of the person? Are you afraid of the person? Call the person. We see every time we don't have evidence. We also need evidence. And when evidence come she Jpac that one is the best evidence so far. Imagine oh I'm delete Yegina ma woro Jpac. He still remain the target. But all of you be defend oh you mad.
I put 200,000 every month. I do mad. No. He defend Zion.
Hey.
No,
even let me tell you, Okongwu Dibia. I want to be calling you by your name, Okongwu Dibia. Ehunana, mshege me porno mana anye gishinono. Gide you for common 10,000. You got collecting. Maka chikere munagi. Mshege me porno every morning. Ma bi anye gishigi yo. Ne negi 100,000. Okongwu Dibia mwere choice than to collect it. Makachi. Because you are thirsty for money. You are too hungry. That is why Ikochande Dibia na ha na-eme nka na-eme nke chi ga-apụta kwa bịa gba ha war. Na ihe ahụ ha na-eme no fake. Because money controls your life. You are just useless as the way you look. Your look is useless. You are just useless as the way you look. So there is no atom of anything that will yield fruit to where you are. Today, not on the street, Ashigi, go and be gnashing this madman. You'll be collecting common 50,000 every month. You can decide your Ashigi defend the one. How to know thousands of people? None of this blue app. Could you imagine how stupid common 500,000 will make you sound? You see how useless Osubununa sound, you see? You guys are now sounding out of content. You see how you guys are being useless? Open your son. So, meeting now, group as a content creator meeting. So, plan it. And you think people this smart will nande buying na like here we uru no opara ya una who that nde buying na like nonsense in the Dibia onye ga watch again. Who go watch you Okongwu? Who go just sit down and waste precious time and watch again? A man na koeli a man that look like onya borabo mother look at na egegi ke isi whole Zion contact ke enye ego get reject ya. Ibana Zion contact yagi ke enye ego reject edikonye reject ndo ge ndo ana you are living, you look like somebody that have already rejected into him.
I don't have any issue with Zion people. Man, I'm never a messy apota king zone no gen zelon. Jpac, my friend, say Jpac is Zelon dan and that Bobu Arobala. Zelofan.
Very soon, it will be confirmed what Keshi Urobu Arobana. Very soon, it will be confirmed what Kazayon Jiurobu Arobana. Because you were specific. What to go? Very soon, it will be confirmed. The first time, Kubulaka, he will not see a place he got baga. Even the first time, he got Susunu, Gawa, this time, he got a big baga. What to go? So, give one day Dibia, do shin and dama Dibia and dana scam umupani. Now, una obu ya wouldn't desire. Una get deceive everybody. Like Kamene and Kamene. Iba Dibia and Kaga collect ego. Gaba Dibia and Kaga collect ego. Gaba Dibia and Kaga collect ego. Inube. Ya wouldn't desire name me who get that window robber. Okongwu Dibia. Imagine your life. He were the only brother again now put on social media. That were again and they kidnap a plan. Kidnap onye zero today. Get join me. Okongwu Dibia. You punk criminal. You that can do anything for money. You join hands. A kidnap all your brother. A kidnap onye say Jesus. That Jesus. You are aware of it. Choma kuruya ga patabia so for na gini ge mekwa choma in few days. Choma is still here now to tell you that your hands are dead. Onyeze Jesus. You are aware of what happened to Onyeze Jesus, and I gonna go ya. Emananda gonna ya planning a kidnap Onyeze Jesus. Okongwu Dibia, go and bring that young man up Omo. Omo. Not only that, Onyeze Jesus video. Jesus video. Share it on YouTube because Facebook is not monetized. Your brother detriment, your brother pain. You were a demon, you were a criminal, the people should arrest you and investigate you. Onyeze Jesus. Because I see no reason why. Ebe people na mo no. Ne ba kwa. Ne ti maka Onyeze Jesus. Gaga na the play. Ibu so plan onye gị na ga kwe weta account. Ndị mmadụ achụ gị. Ndị mmadụ achụ gị. Ndị mmadụ achụ gị. Then guess you bang guess which nwanyi ya gwakwara gị nwanyi ya mekwara nwanyi emehu. Ị mara na ebe ito onye beje onye eze Jesus no ga wepụta ya. If you know where it hides ya, yaru mo gị na Jpac kwu mo organize this thing. Una ga kpọpụta onye eze Jesus. Ebele Paul unu towere that young man. Una ga kpọpụta ya. Chineke abụ unu ọnụ. Cuz arụ unu na-eme akarịala. Because you know, ituru aka na ala gị becha onye eze Jesus. People put a voice record nip infection. So that aka ikuru limits you layer. That aka ikuru you finally executed your plan. You must bring out gina kidnap onye eze Jesus. Because see all I made that onye eze Jesus today no gimishi. You are the bread. Because that time when you say Jesus you release it. That voice note in a live video. You are the one that it's yakana la. Nihi game when you say Jesus we have no wa. Our people do forget easily. And we don't forget. We keep everybody's record in our palm. We keep everybody's record. Idurishi for any Jesus opening voice record to get privately. I'm playing a bishna. God do it. Give me Jesus. You have fulfilled your promises. Go and bring Jesus back. Yaru mogena Jpac ko plan ya geku. Yaru na waja no. Because I see no reason why. Waja ja putashi. Don't raise money for Jesus. I see no reason why. Because gina ya na anoko. Ya puta be your pose. I remember the day I was calling. Everybody put out. Can support all this on Jesus. So your language and ya tinye. Waja stood against it. The same waja made again fight. Nyegi 1 million. What is going on? What is going on, Igbo? You guys should start asking questions. Is Onye Jesus not related to Okongwu Dibia? Is the same Okongwu Dibia did not threaten Onye Jesus? Why are you guys pretending like you don't know what happened? Is Waja not the one Onye Jesus? Sorry, Okongwu Bajana na nke ya na here. Ehuna Jpac Waja Okongwu Dibia. Hama ihemere Onye Jesus. 3 of them are suspects. 3 of them are him and Onye Jesus. Because number one, onye me pore bitterness o me pota ngwasarage. Ina ejoku na di bitter. Truth is bitter. So calling it bitterness, I can relate to your pain. Waja, why are you opposing that people should not contribute to money for Onye Jesus? Waja, why did you give Okongwu Dibia 1 million naira? Does it mean you are the mastermind and grounded person in this thing? Does it mean that Okongwu will depend behind all these things? 3 persons. Waja is running Jpac and Okongwu Dibia. Iheme Onye Jesus. Waja stood against it. Jpac stood against it. Waja stood against it. Okongwu Dibia beri ji abare go shigi jewa YouTube ga click wo nwanne nwoke. Kiga wa YouTube because Facebook is not monetized and the YouTube is the next alternative where they can go to make money. Iga be gwa ihe mere osu onye. Iga be gwa ihe mere Onye Jesus a kidnapper. You have to come and tell huna ge waja na Jpac. 3 of you. Ndị Igbo gitennu ha gitonu unu ma ihe mere Onye Jesus. Okongwu Dibia, go and bring out Onye Jesus a bit over here. Ngana God in the fire, fire. You know because when anything before you Onye Jesus pupitere record ebu infection. Ebu high class infection. In a way, I get quite an arm like this. I'm going to have Okom. I just don't know medicine is all over you. It's written all any woman that messing with you now, her name na sorry. But it's quite unfortunate to call you Bunyana give another man. Call you Bunyana will also give it to another man. Oh yeah, with the problem I get winner. Oshawonye. Aya. Otilo, fuck off. Bye. Bye-bye. No need of you being here. This place is not meant for nigga with heart attack. You want to go? So, go and bring out a bit over on yours, Jesus. Otele. People have been screaming about it, and you act like you don't know what is happening. Emane be domine your brother, because your record of SCD, HIV, henine, gadoishi, for exposing you in this manner, that the way he came at Chafia, you went and planned within the kidnapper that young man who wrote today. He got up potaya. When I got it on YouTube, he get ribu weki. Oh, you shit the kage. And Zion, she get 200,000 in a condition. One nigga gonna break on a YouTube while you cannot collect 200,000. Can't you see irony of stupidity? Can't you see irony of lies and stupidity? Can't you see it? Who is fooling who? Okongwu Dibia. Going ne fool onye. Eporia, Igbo onweki. I promise you 200,000, and you can. Who is this person trying to join? It is okay, you can join. You can request, you can join. You want to go? At your condition, Eporia now. Onye ne look that disease is still in you. That is still in you. And again went to audacity na Zion she negi 200,000 nagajo. Kiji kwa na wudronye that you will not collect. Kiji wudronye that you will not collect. So this is how Jpac has finally reduced all of you to zero, to nothing. This is how Jpac has finally reduced. Come on, 500,000 because of Tobonega Babachiteria. Jpac and what did he get bachite no sa? Guys, listen. Get my video. You alert me. 0 minus 0 0. Yana one me phone we have this blew up. Wagara. Can't pum wine before you get content before getting me calling him. A body lost son. Kesa again. Where are they? This rubbish na Sweden. Let me know when all this useless made video about me. You want to go? Let them have a video. Let me know. Yaruba network got them. Do not request to join. Please go and get a better network. You want to? So all these people made a video. Let me know. And I'm that video. Only send them go send them. Minim anything about Wagara. Actually, minim baby confess to the world that Wagara. And I Wagara pum wine before any haro. And I'm editing that video. Editing that particular video. That useless idiot. And about Wagara. Get boots or rape puoki. Boots or rape puoki before any grow. Looking at contents. Anything video, yeah. So Jpac is running around contracting all of you to come and defend. Let me tell you, imagine like at this social media. Your record is there, but all depends on what you room naka. Only can get room this year, only can room next year. All depends on what you room naka. You what I go? What I mean? All depends on what you room naka. Imane be dowaronye Jesus. Imane be dowaronye Jesus. Teacher Ibia bare gona YouTube. Image na one give video on your land a papa na ya. Kiss I be why YouTube Ibia ba. Click here so you can see the full video. Because you were demon. Look at it. Common video image for everybody to sympathize and see how we can help Onyeze Jesus. Kiss I be my YouTube. Akwenye kwere 200,000 is looking for YouTube money. Okay, I don't suffer. Now, let me go to idiot first son. I know I hear that idiot. Name I one on amge. I'm like a lot of people called me. OMJ may go meet in a video. Isuzu this time, man. Eh? Isusu. Oh man, I'm a strike why YouTube mad go whip my video. You know why I'm telling you this now for you to know. Jopa, German First Lady, and many more that didn't destroy their YouTube. Now this mortuary bomb on South Africa. Up 1 minute ago, get today in South Africa. Remove my video. What lost son? Remove my video from your YouTube. I may destroy what this your looking money. Remove my video from YouTube. That problem of remove my you know say I don't tell you now. Remove my video on your YouTube. Remove my video. I don't miss you on that side because I'm a neighbor who remove it. Okay? No need of a watch, my woman. Leno, wait, can before my block okay, can we go on yashi? Is this one? Hello? 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 On your request. I'm bringing that idiot that you requested. I'm bringing you in. Which I'm Canadian on my live program. Hello? Yes. Now what? You get making in what would you do? What would you do? Eh?
I grew up in Nigeria. All this shouting doesn't move me.
I don't give
all this
a fuck.
childish,
I do not fucking give a fuck.
all these childish tantrums.
I do not fuck. You're not gonna do anything, no. You're not fucking going to do anything.
You're
not going to do any fucking thing. You are not going after like you throw up in the hood in Nigeria. Don't give a fuck. Don't fucking use my platform to insult yourself.
There's no cause that will move me. I start yelling from childhood.
Man, the channel.
What is shouting?
I'm the channel. What I'm machine gun for you, so.
We don't watching us.
I know Chicago. What would you do?
Yeah. I don't know.
In a gym mechanic in a bar in Obodo, you put what you want him GM. In a gym,
we're into production. You don't kill me us.
I'm making it. I'm not Chicago, but nigga, I'm in Chicago.
Chicago is full with junkies. 100 euro, they will beat you up. You know that.
Look at it.
Chicago, they are few with junkies.
Look at the idiot. Look at the idiot. They want the network. Look at that network. Get sent 100 euro. Look at that. Come on, Jaganya, you listen and you say something. Come on, Singapore, your network is disturbing me. I just from baggage up got join the Look at the idiot. Look at it. Onyana lift. Onyana lift to Gakubu one day. I'm at them not Germany corner. Look at that. Look at that. No longer could live to Kugitegi. No longer live to Kubuoki. You want the good network? Where that 100 euro just good network? Idiot. Like Onion lift today, she lift on Anya. Egana guy there, Kubuoki. Idiot. You went out in Germany. If you with Remano. Look at you. Oh, I live in Nigeria. After that, you live in the hood. What? The reason why I bring you God back Ogechi and I'm to go job. You are no pot and I'm to go job. Aleka. One for shit. I mean, I'm the Papa Million would you better go open teeth. And I just heads and I hope one you immediately. Come on, fuck off for idiots. So what I'm so then why like the same thing can I panic. I don't go block you. I don't go block you. Okay, go face your lift job. Ganya lift Yana working in a boya. Shinga for so. I don't talk to lift drivers no bodo yibo. Yemna talk with in the medical I'm no one talk to Bogano or one engineer, one lawyer. Mamma no onya lift. Yapochakwa 10 euro. Abena Marion. Come on, fuck off for so idiots. And I'll be part of my platform. Be talk anyhow. You want yara. You want yara. I will never make this shit. Oh, yeah, no. What I've been one. Abu Mane gang, which only got that Pimpuran, Chineke or Pagok. Come on, fungo is so Mahonos or Pria Funketa. Idiots. will come on and go do this thing that you will do. Because I know you can't do a cap. Now the people in Chicago here saying that when now get I want to them from internal Germany. The most useless people. No what? German base. All men know they are useless. It takes few panuru. Few panuru. We have on Germany. Majority of them are fucked up because government to feed them. They're useless. That's why you see them, majority of them non Facebook, they are hopeless. They are useless. Government they hungry. America. Lift or woman who that's in obodo. I don't understand. Intimidate. Nigga, you cannot see. I wish you said for some of you got him face to face. That much Facebook with Facebook with the thumb a little bit. Ndala. Okongwu Dibia. Imare bito were. Imare bito Onyeze Jesus. It's time we start asking you where is Onyeze Jesus. Imare bito were Onyeze Jesus. Go and bring Onyeze Jesus back. We will not allow you to permit that young man. Because you know that Onyeze Jesus want to give you. Actually, Onyeze Jesus today. I want Okongwu Dibia. Agiburu ya akagi no ihe mere ya. Go and bring back Onyeze Jesus. Imana ndege na hakuru plan ya. Waja Jpac. And you, all three of you, my ihe mere Onyeze Jesus. Because waja wuna controller, aya wuna director, aya wuna movement. Unu mana ihe mere Onyeze Jesus weputenu ya. Chineke wuna atọkụ. Unu mana ihe mere ya weputenu ya. Ndala. I got a petition. And another thing is that I heard that you guys wrote a petition that you guys are going to arrest me. And then we and they will be him and be petition, ex-convict now listen to me. In a make walang in Nigeria, but I'm out of your remaining eye. In Nigeria, stake 1 million miles away. Jpac one me buyaka for put a spam on in a Julian imafo. The best thing no far allowing this police to near me. Go have a question about Ashna. Ihe emo okwe yire adie ri wangboro. Ino no kwale ihe owuli me do not near me. I'm just being on. I'm a wuga kananya. Wo get the remaining one and show froge for your own good. I heard that you was doing program with Jpac the other day, and you start showing village mama like 100,000. Let me tell you, you know he's from that place. Before Aleba had carry 50,000 naira. The only thing him and Aleba who may increase who but that year because be batradia. Before when you move over how many plots of land, they won't put up the other part of Ngobal. I wanted to use it for farming. Aleba who then always go people 300 to 1 million to 3. So those things all Chigagi when it comes to China 20,000 don't even allow it to confuse you. You know that's land that I want to think about before. That's thing I want to think. If it's not Zion coming into that place, and what do you know be that place? That place not no job. The great OMG that this man is useless. That's one I spoke of an Onyoshi. He owes Zion every loyalty this life. Because without Yaoshi, Zion Jorembidi, they wanted to go before this place. Okareka Many people could have appreciated it more than these useless people. You want to go? This idiot to Chicago, look at my house. I 10,000. I have to be honest with you. Don't be deceived by rubbish. I'm a baby and a Jagishaman. Highest 100,000. That's in Oshigagi. Look at my house. And the idiot to be stupid. There is no tiles. Go look at the cola. Ole beja hanging doshi. Olo get the beja. Ebeja hapo. All these criminals snake kidnap people. You want to go? all these kidnappers. Ojikebe ulo wishigani. Ya wuru hiru ga mamma erugo ulo oke. One amama ulo oke. Second amama ulo ebe agana hang egbe ndi oshi. In fact, the thing with the structure, I don't know why you are sampling it. Or because of a fence, about the thing the fence around, I don't know. Cheap land, cheap structure, cheap everything. Everything it makes no sense, no ties, no. There's nothing to write them about. Okay, in a shiny and my brother, that land is I carry 300 or 400,000 in Bezoria. I have to be honest with you. Go ala just taliwelu show because people and they may not the urban structure. I'm morula 50 years. And when a kishina at the back, I'm a maka 350 years. So no they cap, you no get capping. You no get capping. Everything about you is your poverty is written all over you. Don't be here gaka. I'm just shaking up the next time. Let me tell you. Before God put us in a tag, me jail where without winning, where sutaragi man like sorry, sutaragi rope. So I got be kiki from there. I'm not top because I'm not to do the go anywhere. All these things easy. Look at Eba, I get it. Look at Eba, I get it. Now when the land deal charge 10,000, 20,000 Ks or not to deceive yourself, guys. You see why I'm bringing this topic? Do not allow the village half plot to village itself. Or the congregation got so many guys wala. Onyamunogi wonye and as well an Anambra State. Can you even buy even quarter of a plot and not get 10 million? Not get 50, 100 million. Go and verify. And la village Janikalo we on or whatever prebepo. If I lie, try to go to any Anambra State to go and price Allah. Ala village or so many bani. If I lie, make water now. People people walk through ya enter Anambra State or Sumeji or Newi just so ala shut the fuck up. You're not Alanda which are 50,000 then. Look at my house, look at house so we know put on a structure. Allow joy. No joy. Even of Sumedi Zuala. By then you will listen to you. Go and verify. Allow so the Kaye Janu. Ihe Janu Keza hotel na Lagos or na Abuja. You diano iwonye. Who one village inside or so Alan on go 300 and something million. Go and price. Then one a one place in this life at the time and determine what you will become. Poverty in you will reduce. That will exist. You are close. Oh, she from Anya or course potawa. And I'm not going with the petition. Oh, him ja pegagia. Give him increase. Give him increase the petition. Egala na ne with my south, my east, my west. Ezotalala. Cheap. Nkema go di unkosuo. Ebem chile pote ebe chile mom. Mbem chore to 2 plot no sumeni. Eminem like this. Eminem o tue. Nani 2 plot o. Egom jire zuo almost 20 plots no were. As to Taliban 2 plots no so. Look at you. Some people know and they want a property in a village. Come on, shut up. Come on, go inside. Go inside. They may share on. Here again. Come on, get inside. When men talk village, Oshiga matter the level and the class where the person belong. That matter where the person belong. Go and is verifiable. Go and confirm. No. That which I want 1 naira, 2 naira. Look at my compound and the compound to go me here. Compound to go with and when knows even here she can manage what is going on here. What is going on here? There is nothing to oppose. Or who say Barakishigani? Or allow 10 kobo. I don't understand. Can you chọrọ ime intimidate na rubbish ahụ na 1 naira ahụ ishiga? Achọgodere remember who is the guy? Who are the guys? That's all him jubuno. Onye ahụ enwekwa ahụ ewu ya ni. Ị ga na Ọsụ or ị ga na Nnewi or Nnewi town ga zụọ ala. Ụdị property ahụ ị nwere nwanne ma na-ekpupụrụ n'ugo okpu na shi na irugo. You are nobody. Shut the fuck up. Everything I use, man, I'm a water can be the Rozoa. I'm an old tank, or engage in Berry, or engage in Amori. All these things, so I like that Zuchefu. So what I go in a Jum village when he was Ramonagi? Why would you ask me village I'm from Osumeni? What's my business and you? Yeah? What is my business and you asking me where I'm from or so many? It's already said in the kidnapper, get send the. Do you want to send them a dealer? Okay? Eh? A dealer? Okay? Dala and Dala. Eshimin getting nego so many. How about that? But because because I speak over it. That's what made me over a woman. And I call you. Yes, I ask him. I got sometimes now the comments come on, so no phone me to I own you guys in his plan. Okay, now I'm going to assume again. What will change about it? What will change about it? Do I owe you any further explanation? It wouldn't my relative. He won't your subine. He would go to your subine. Do I owe you any explanation? And I call you. So, ESCON, please stop showing us that raggedy ass property. We show stop showing Oshogun. Oh yeah. Otila. Bye bye. You want to go? Stop showing us Alanda but the men for free. Because they can now or what to hold the shishi before that dear but that dear. The way that place, that place way bad to Raj. Nobody they even like to come there. So what are you showing us for? None that you are born in Anambra State make you a rich person. They want to have Ogechi come and go inside. He don't want it. You want to go? Despite that, Jpac, that idiot, Anna Jpac, can't she bend down collect a bull? Despite that, Naya no channel Yagabaya Christmas color. Gabaya all colors of the whole world. Eh? If you know color, what 1 billion times that one kid your town on a village. I'm not going to the truth. Him I went there more from Kaga says also. Go and try. Go and try. We are rich in every ramification. And what a big idea. I should allow someone go and price and it's Tagabam. It's Thomas Wariage. I would buy it. Now me 2 plot no so brave she again. No she go na match on na happen. Before when I come, I got me no na ya. Hey, she. Every time at a point I want to give up. On na far tunnel. Enye amamo empire nyere ebe ahụ for free o. Ụlọ oshiga gị onye for free. Nte cost as 50,000 or 10,000. Alare kwa ọnụ ebe ahụ before. He mekwara o jeri ọnụ na awụkwa Ebuka Obi. Without Ebuka Obi stopping there. Onye agade ekwu ụka. Ọkụ anụ kwa ebe ka enwe for 20 something years. Onye eji mpa n'aka. Nkwu ya dịka light. He is a nobody o. Onye wo nna ya o ji atọ ọkụtụ nwa ọsọrọ ya mụ ọmakwala ebe m shepụta ọmakwala na anyị wee nyi atụrụ jami na m ọrụ ịma nka nna m shepụta ịja eme na m ọnụ onye wu gị inwe last name inwe state name ya bụ eme na m ọsọ dịka m ọnụ atụrụ nwekiri na ibe eme ndị ya bụ eme na m ọnụ ị ga-akpa ebe Ogechi ihe ọ ga-eme mụnwa adọsụ Damn, had to go to reach them. How would I put a paw? No paw. Idiot. I want to ask somewhere. Abeshamo, you talk to me. I don't want to get. See, only minutes some women are their words. Emma your what? And when somebody got one, this she do ebole ko you won't ebole. Ever go near bole get the sense of mine also plus so get him balilulo. Lulo. You're gonna get him again one. On my Facebook see, I still know my route. Oh. I still know what I work for. I still know my ground. One name anyhow, my bagging. I shall shibakarika by your shisha warrior. Aro shibakarika get the stand that case you bag it in a cabo goku. And I bet some Ogechi baby wunyara. No makanam sugara go away. Get believe when I'm again on the same category. You wunyara. Ntala. Onye ọpụta ya nwere na ọnụ asawo pụta ya mapụ ọnụ depụta ya mapụ ọnụ ashin na go onye isi olefu a ekeme ka mana ebe a ga-ike ga ya ni before ya eruo ga aka Chineke bụ ngo ọnụ and I'm sure with the head of petition. That's why I'm giving it to you. What because I want you to increase it. You want to go? So Jumanu idiot and I wanted the sea. She ariebe onye eze Jesus no ngala ngo na ya na Jpac waja plan the dome ya hapụta ya because igbe a ga-ebita ọ ga-ebi echi. Who is this one? Ikushili ike hapụ ha na ma block on ikushili ike kepuru ni get send ya ebo shibia. This page is not for everybody. You want to go? So, like I said, Okongwu Dibia, Emanabi Domine, your brother, Iduraka Nishi, because all release Reba Mogena Boko, or release Reba Patra HIV, Patra syphilis, Patra all manner of STDs, come in happy Buya, come Ipuruya and Dimezuria. So people should ask you, where about your brother? I give man gone. Ya wouldn't even any sympathy or any remorse or any empathy regarding about that young man. And I chat on. I see no reason why you should ego. I see no reason why you shine each away. Can nigga want a YouTube ga click pay click and pay. Why would we do that? Because in ulterior motives. You have already executed your evil plan. Ngala ngola emi domene anywhere idomene e kapo puta yo because all she and nuru na-esu within the Dibia ona na ekonide na kidnap ni na eme na east aka Okongwu Dibia na Jpac no ya kunde gị na hani na akpu this game you guys ga puta ho unu ga puta ebi domene this young man because that's value on social media. You later accomplished it. Chelsea, there wo. E what go? So he got put up when they're gonna have to make this evil plan. I will keep asking you your brother's life. Okay, you must bring him out. Look at Onye Zion. They put 200,000. Look at that tunnel. Look at that tunnel. Look at it. And there's only 200,000. Jpac, get a shower one again. You want a man delete each and all this idiot to be safe. Man delete each and a hand. Man wipe put your out to my face. Woman gabber in a home. All this underground, that's no content creators and I took ego. I got my man delete when I get to Nigeria. Then in it go tell them petition. I go know them. And I will inform the police people, national Okongwu Dibia, I save well the video that he went up to 100 million. So police got ball enough to get those money. They want to go? So I got ball enough to get because on your police are not. So as you are writing this thing, maybe to call my own because I can get paved way. You must bring out this 100 million you made in China, according to Okongwu Dibia. I'm the Ogara boys in there. In case you like easy, Hajirigi, Ego Hajirigi, Hajiteshigi, Epa Ego. Your wife has confirmed it. Okongwu Dibia has confirmed it. Epa money. Mwagidegi mwa hapalage. December gets too long where. You know, so you got a book puteshi chan. Everybody pay like a gomandeke papa. Because Oshijana and China make over 100 million. So there is money. And then Agwani nke Seaman Global senior they give 1.5. In Agwani nke Odonye na Anambra State. Kamame he pore yabo onyeregi. Onyeni na we gala go. So there is too much money. In that kidnappers need na East Bawaha that this guy you gonna abata this time. Unebula ebu just nanani at the money. Porono ya Gwangani ya will put 100 million. No Congo because someone can make a wedding here. So there is money. Onu get rich for this Christmas. So Porono ya ndo tu ya na confirm ya nike. Oba gale ka oge na oshuna aha ya oba gale nka toro olu toro dika toro were olu to tia ya olu no amabe born in South Africa agwa na akubu ya e were 500,000 ya na koiri oshuna he's doing well. So all of them have confirmed that on a make them no put the money. Oh put the money. Wagra ganere pum one that this one before you make contact ye buzo bagini ike mbi waranne wagra mbi waranne ana boge obi hu ga hore oh yeah mbi waranne oji anya ya asheja badegini ike you must dash him ona gazela nke ya enwe anything no mo na create so if begin eji ego ashinye m ego before mo na get create ke gewu aga m ara gi before ma get create nyere megbukwu egi ekwesiri iweta gị like ewere amụ ga ahụ jabie ya ga nwụọ ga zuo ike oche kwesiri eweta amụ ga ahụ like jabie ya iwe useless Igbo storm iwe disgrace you rape our sisters in the name of content. That's what you do. Look at the men are fighting me. Useless men, very useless men, hopeless men. Before getting idiot to create content, go. He will never do it for you for free. What on your shit? Rapist. Okay, so why did he care? Very hopeless man. And I watch him up negi. Ijara man negi chineka pogonu. Amusu. Look at them gathering to fight. Just hopeless men everywhere. Ofodo po infection into Okongwu Dibia. Ofodo wo ke hapu agini ike. Go and nyash shinegi pod umu anya hopa. Shinegi cha hege boya nike. Useless set of people. Ndala bunch of fools. You will not do anything. Majority of them know. This is how majority of them are. In that kidnapper, Gitanu Jpac yo. Obu ikendo to Yakugaya, Okongwu Dibia. Hashinopu 100 million, make 100 million. Jitenu yao, share one video. Alert them. A wall where they cannot complete that building. Genuine information. And watch Jpac over 100 million but China. Okongwu Dibia said it. Pass the information. Let them know. Over 100. Kidnapper on East. There is a new man coming. The new money making machine. Put the money up. That's what they told us. In case of tomorrow. Question target should be Jpac. And don't all this content hungry creators, all these content hungry creators only got 500,000 to come and go Ogechi. Jenny and the kidnapper because you're wasting your money. Jenny, you are wasting your money. They cannot stop me. Delete chame face yegi photo. Ige merela me sami to Otulashiga must be examined. I see no reason why you're touching from it.